Okay, so for this measuring the length of the things, we are using the known standard units.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anna.
all the children are June. The June.
What you are asking? You please listen to the class. Huh? Please listen to the class. What you are studying? Okay. Please avoid some unnecessary questions in between. It will affect our class. Okay. So please listen. The non-standard units, if we are using, we can't find the correct measurement. So we are using the standard units, isn't it? So for the length, for finding length of anything, we will use the standard unit. What is the standard unit of measuring length? Meter. Right. Yes. The standard unit of measuring length is called meter. Then how can we write it in a short form?
M.
Small letter M. Small letter M. Okay. So these are all things we studied yesterday. Just a recap of that. And if the object is below the meter, less than this meter, what we will use? Yes, centimeter. We will use a centimeter. For centimeter and all, yes, cm, that is a short form of centimeter. And if it is more than the meter, kilometer. Kilometer, the short form is km. Yes, km. Yes, that is a short form. And for the what all things we will use this kilometer for finding what? For finding the distance. Okay, for finding the distance from one place to another place. Okay, one place to another place, we will use the unit kilometer. Okay, children. So yesterday we completed some notes. Please open your Max notebook.
Ma'am, we need to write.
Yes, we are going to write the balance. Some more sentences are there. So we have to write. So yesterday, how many points we completed? What was the last point we wrote?
The standard unit of measuring length is called meter. The unit meter is written short as M.
Okay.
So that we completed.
Okay, okay. So you can continue the next line and write today's date. Today's date is 4. Please write today's date. After that, next line you can write. To measure the smaller length, what we will use? To measure the small centimeter. Yes, centimeter. So write it. The next line. Yes.
I got space in the second line.
Second line. So you can write there.
Or the date.
Date also. And write the first point. Next point is to measure. Start writing. To measure length.
This is the second point.
Yes. To measure the length smaller than a meter. Smaller than a meter. to measure the length smaller than a meter, we use centimeter. And the centimeter, we are writing the short form as EM. So that also we need to write here. It is written in short. As CM.
Shivani, come later. This notebook, right?
Yes, yes. Please take your notebook and start writing.
I only joined now.
Those who joined just now, please take your notebook and write the next point it is.
Ma'am, I cannot see the. You are right.
Maybe because of the network issue, my dear. All the other students are writing.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, summer is chat.
Okay, okay, okay. Complete it first. Ashif completed? Ashif?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, they are finished.
Devadarsh finish. Okay. Anna, are you writing, Anna?
I can see now.
Okay, okay, okay. Complete it fast. Abel, have you completed?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Rice. INSSORT. What?
Let me call some names. Please tell me if you are present. Anmia Regal. Anmia Regal. Anselm Lijo. Afia Maria. Ashil K. Saji. Devananda KS.
And Shivani, finish.
Okay. Fia Elizabeth. Fia. Then Krishna Raj is there. Krishna Raj. Rafan Muhammad. Sahasra Vinu. Smriti R. Nair. Vaigalakshmi. Vivek. These are the absentees. All the others I have marked the attendance. Okay, my dears. Okay. So this one is, we are studying about how to measure the length, the standard units of measuring length. Why we are using standard units? We have to know the correct measurement. Yes, the correct length. For finding the correct length of any object, we need to use the standard unit. And the standard unit of measuring length is meter. And the smaller length we are using centimeter. And the bigger length, that is a long or kilometer. Okay. This much we studied. And next we are going to study.
Finish.
Not finish. Okay, right. Next, you all know how we can measure the things using a scale or ruler. You all have a scale with you? Scale or a ruler? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, those who have the scale, you can take it now.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
I
Yes.
have scale.
Don't have? Okay. Those who have, please be ready for that. Yes.
I have.
So all of you finish this one. Shall I rub the board?
Yes.
No.
The short form only.
Then I'll write one more sentence here. Next sentence, that also I'm writing down. All of you write, to measure length larger than a meter. Larger.
Ma'am, I can see.
Larger than.
Ma'am, I cannot.
Those who can't see, please wait. It will come now. For within a seconds. To measure the lengths larger than a meter, we use.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, we are to write this.
Yes, who is asking that? Veda, you didn't start it?
I can't see because the network issue. Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. To measure the lengths larger than a meter.
Ma'am, may I drink a water?
Yes.
Ma'am, we need to measure the length or length.
Length.
Okay.
Kilometer. We use kilometer. And it is write as a short form.
CM. Kilometer CM.
CM, no, KM. Not CM. CM is centimeter and KM is kilometer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when
Anna, please write fast.
ma'am,
Take a notebook and write.
ma'am,
Who is
One.
calling? Aradhya. What happened?
When is exam starting?
Exams.
Yes.
That I will inform you, my dear.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Please complete the notes.
I write now.
And we need to study how using the scale, how we can find the length of the things.
Ma'am, I got 3 scale.
Ah,
Different shapes.
different shapes also.
Ma'am. That's for bigger.
Bigger scale it is.
No. Ma'am. That scales are for bigger classes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Other shapes. Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, yes.
My elder brother has scales.
Okay, okay.
Me. And this is my scale.
Yes, yes, yes. Different shapes are there, right?
Yes. There are round shapes.
Anna, please complete it fast. Abel Sijo, have you completed?
No, ma'am, I completed the first. Why do we need to use the scale?
For measuring the things.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my brother is in the school.
Your brother is there. Which class?
6C.
Okay, okay. They are already started the class, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why.
My brother also.
Yes, yes. Your many brothers and sisters are there.
My sister also. But my brother is so young.
So?
He's
younger. Isn't
yes,
it?
younger
Yes.
than
Yes, yes, yes.
my brother's going to school.
Okay.
My sister goes to school. Ma'am, my brother go to school. My brother and sister.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand.
I should need a minute.
Now some students joined late only. That is why there's much time they are.
That has completed.
Completed. Okay.
Ma'am.
Please be silent, those who finished. Let everyone complete. I'll give 2 more minutes. Please write fast. If you couldn't complete now, I'll send it in the group. So at that time, you please copy. Arav, have you completed? Arav?
No, ma'am.
Okay, write fast. Anthony Shan. Anthony.
Ma'am, I completed.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Ashwajit?
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes, Ashwajit, have you completed?
Yes, completed.
Okay, what about Ryan? Ryan Adril?
Completed.
Okay. Daksha Deepak?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed the notes?
Yes.
Yes. Abel Saju?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Completed, right?
Yes.
So I will show you the picture of a scale.
And Zara did not completed.
Not completed?
No. So long time.
Yes.
May I go to the washroom?
Yes, yes.
Can I drink water?
Hmm.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay. Let me take the pictures of the scale. You can see the pictures, right? Hmm? Yes or no? Here
Yes.
you can see the pictures.
I can see.
Here you can see the pictures of two
can
scales.
No.
One is a longer scale and one is a shorter scale. Yes?
Yes. Yes. Short and long.
Ah, so,
Long and short.
okay, okay. Yes?
I can see one.
1 minute.
Doing with Alice. Then some scales in the board.
Hmm?
Ma'am, why there is some scales in the board?
Wait, I'll tell.
I just come from the washroom now.
Okay, first let me clear this board and I will take it again.
Ma'am, you sent notes in group.
Hmm?
Ma'am, can you say the board? You sent notes in group.
Notes I will send to the group, okay?
Long scale.
This is a long scale and I'll show you one more scale that is shorter than this.
My scale is short.
Hmm. See, here you can see two scales, isn't it? All of you please listen. So we are going to study using the scale how we can measure the things. So in the first scale you can see that is a shorter scale. So you can see the numbers. From which numbers it is starting?
0.
Starting from here 0 will be there. 0 to which number? Till which number? 15. Okay. So this scale length is, you can see here one thing is written. What is that? CM. Huh? What is the letters here?
Centimeter.
CM. It is written there CM. CM means centimeter. So this scale, what is the length of the scale? What is the length of the scale? How many centimeter? How many centimeter? This centimeter, this scale length is 15 centimeter. Okay. How many centimeter it is? 15 centimeter. Okay. What about the next one? The long scale. Long scale. Here, from here to here, you see the number 30. So, this scale length is 30 centimeter. Okay. 30 centimeter. The second scale is 30 centimeter. The first scale is 15 centimeter. Okay. And using these scales, how we can measure the things. That is the next thing we are going to study. So you all, those who have this scale, you can take it now.
How many centimeter?
Wait. Let me take one more picture.
We can take. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My pencil is 16 centimeter.
Pencil.
Yes.
Yes. See here. Here you can see a picture. In this picture, you can see that the pencil is measuring. What is measuring here? The pencil is measuring. And how it is measuring? How to measure? We have to keep the thing. What you are to measure, that thing you need to keep in this 0 point. Okay?
1 centimeter.
Yes, that 0 place you have to keep the thing here. And till where, which number it will be? Here you can see it is near to 14, right? Huh? How to measure this one? So check this length till which number it is. Okay, so it is 14. You can see that it till here only it is. So this pencil's length, how can we write it? It is 14 centimeter. We can write the short form of centimeter. 14 centimeter. Okay? Have you all understood?
Yes.
All of you understood how to measure the thing. If it is a pencil, you have to take your pencil or a scale and your pencil also. Keep it on the table and your pencil also. Where you have to keep the top point here?
In the centimeter.
In the first 0. Starting from 0. Keep the pencil like this and till which number it is there. That you have to check.
My pencil is 12 centimeter.
So all of you please take your pencil and your scale.
My pencil is 15 meter.
Okay. Wait. First you take your pencil and a scale. Those who have the scale, you can take it. No problem, you can check it after the class. Those who don't have the scale, you can check it after the class. Okay. So you take your scale and your pencil. Please measure your pencil's length. Pencil's length you have to measure. Okay. And I'll ask one by one. That time you have to tell me. Ready? Okay, Diya KP.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the length of your pencil?
40.
40? Is it 40?
No.
1
4.
How to tell that number? 1 4.
14.
14 centimeter. You have to tell the unit also. 14. No, don't tell the number only. You have to tell 14 centimeter. Okay, very good. Next, Daksha. Daksha Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
How much? What is the length of your pencil?
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. Okay. Very good. 12 centimeter. Then next question for Ashwajit. Ashwajit, unmute.
Yes.
Have you find out the length of your pencil? Yes?
Yes.
What is the length of your pencil?
16.
16. Is it a new pencil?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Next question for Afreen. Afreen.
Yes.
Please. What is the length of your pencil?
40 centimeter.
14 centimeter. Okay. So all of you study how to find the length of. So today I'll give you a thing that is today's work is you have to find out the length of your maths notebook. Your maths notebook is there, right? So you have to find out the maths notebooks. The top one, no, here, what is the length of this portion? And the side also. This one also. Okay. So top one here, what is the length, and side also, what is the length, and you have to write there in your maths notebook. That is the work for you today. After the class, you have to do it. Everyone understand, right? Was there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. What's ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Abel.
My maths notebook is longer than my scale.
Okay, so what to do?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
So, listen.
Ma'am. My scale is only 15 centimeters.
One minute. Let me clear the Abel's doubt. If it is low, more than this, what you have to do is, first you measure the length, and where it stops, you make a point there, Abel. And put the point there. Then again, that same scale you can use, that from the same point, where you put the point there you can start again measuring. And what you have to do, that earlier how much length you got, and after that how much length you got, that you have to add and check. So you will get the total length. Okay, so do it like that. And now it's the time for wind up the session. So I think it's clear to you, everyone.
Excuse me.
Hmm?
Like this. One more
Huh?
one more
One more?
one more tell.
One more time. Yes, Abel. Yes, it is like that. You are showing the correct way. Okay. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next day. Bye.
Excuse me. Bye.
Yes, yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.